Guys, so in today's video I'll be giving you 8 business ideas you can do as a student while in school. This is not only limited to students but people who reside around the university environments, and they were profitable for me. Number one on my list is errand services. So this involves you going on errands for people, like going to the market, accepting deliveries on behalf of. If students see someone that will be willing to take the stress off them from doing those services, they will be willing to pay for it. Number two, POS. Not everyone likes the stress of going to the bank, especially when the bank is far or when the queue is too much. They see a POS that is closed, they'll be willing to pay for the charges. Number three is cooking. If you know you are very good in cooking, like people, when you cook, people really appreciate your cooking. Then you can cook and package in takeaways, take to lecture halls and sell. People will buy from you. You can also cook for people, like per pot. Maybe you charge them per, let me say, like a pot of soup, a pot of jollof rice. You can charge them on those bases. Number four is sales of stationaries. Students cannot do without stationaries. We need pens, we need pencils, we need food stamp. So you can sell those little things. Those little things, it brings a lot of profit. Number five is hair styling services. If you know you are good in making hair, like I've seen students pay their rent through making hair while in school, because they will charge you the way they will charge you, and they will make it very nice. They will make it in trending styles. If you know you are very good in making hair, you can utilize your talent and make money. Barbing too. Barbing is under these hairstyling services. If you are a guy and you can cut hair very well, you can charge people for those services. People will be willing to pay for it, especially when you are very good at what you do. Six on my list is tutorials. If you know very good in a particular course or a number of courses, you can organize tutorials so you can teach people and they will pay you for it. You can charge based on the number of hours spent teaching, and people, especially when you are good in imparting knowledge, people will be willing to pay for it. Number seven on my list is laundry services. If you are very good in washing and ironing, like you see no stress in doing it, if you can do it and do it well, people will pay you for it. You can charge based on the number of clothes and people will be willing to pay for it. The final one on my list is cleaning services. This involves cleaning lodges for people. So this, you can do this on a weekend, you can do this during the week, like what works for you, in a way that it will not affect your studies. And bonus tip on my list is sales of accessories. Students want to look good. Everybody wants to look good. You can sell accessories like jewelry, fashionable scarf, and people will be willing to buy. People will be willing to buy, especially when you sell quality items. You can go to the market, you can buy in wholesale from people that sell in wholesale and retail, and you make your profit. So guys, comment. I need to see your comment box below. What, have you done any of this business? Did it work for you? Was it profitable? Did you do any of this business while in school, or are you in school? Are you doing any of this business? Comment. I want to see your comment. Please like, share and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.